10 Convert IRA to gold mistakes to avoid. Converting an IRA to gold can be a smart move for diversifying your retirement savings, but it's crucial to avoid these 10 mistakes. 1. Neglecting IRS rules. Not following IRS guidelines can lead to penalties. Solution: learn IRS rules, only certain types of gold are allowed. 2. Choosing the wrong custodian. Picking an inexperienced custodian risks your investment. Solution: research custodians carefully, choose one with a good reputation. 3. Failing to understand storage requirements. Improper gold storage can risk your IRA's tax status. Solution: use IRS-approved storage facilities for security and compliance. 4. Underestimating fees. Setup, storage, and transaction fees are often overlooked. Solution: compare costs from multiple custodians to find a cost-effective option. 5. Inadequate diversification. Putting all funds into gold increases market risk. Solution: balance your portfolio with other assets like stocks and bonds. 6. Lack of long-term strategy. Investing in gold without a clear plan can lead to losses. Solution: develop a comprehensive investment plan for your retirement. 7. Ignoring market conditions. Not staying informed can lead to poor investment timing. Solution: monitor market trends and consult financial advisors. 8. Overlooking paperwork. Incomplete paperwork can cause delays and fees. Solution: double-check all documents with your custodian. 9. Misjudging liquidity needs. Heavy investment in physical gold limits access to funds. Solution: balance with liquid assets like gold ETFs. 10. Underestimating expert advice. Not seeking professional advice can lead to costly errors. Solution: consult with financial advisors experienced in gold IRAs. Avoid these pitfalls and follow these solutions to safely convert your IRA to gold and improve your retirement portfolio's security and diversity. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.